We have some breaking news coming in. Welcome back to the live coverage here on Republic TV as we get to the results from Jharkhand and Maharashtra. Jharkhand has voted for Hemant Soren and the alliance there, comprising JMM, Congress, RJD. The India alliance basically has won in Jharkhand, and in Maharashtra it's a clean sweep by the Mahayuti that has managed to win over 200 seats. And we're getting in some breaking news right now. We're expecting a joint news conference at 3 p.m. The breaking news right now, there is a joint news conference a little after 3 p.m. And that joint news conference will be done by Eknath Shinde, by both the Deputy Chief Ministers, Deputy Chief Minister now, Devendra Fadnavis could be the Chief Minister next, Ajit Pawar, all three of them seated together on one platform at 3 p.m. This is at Varsha. They will interact with the media. That's the breaking news update that I'm just getting in. And Devendra Fadnavis, after that joint news conference with Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, will join the celebrations at the BJP headquarters in Mumbai at the Nariman Point. That's a little after 3:30 p.m. So I have that bit of breaking news update coming in. But do you want to add something to the war that is already broken out between the MVA allies, or whatever was left of the MVA?
The war was already there.
War was there right from the seat sharing formula. See, do you think that Mahayuti did not have any problems? They had problems, but BJP and RSS cadre took look after that. The problems were not surfaced. But on the other hand, we were generally seen Balasaheb Thorat, then Nana Patole, Sanjay Raut, every day they were fighting on the seat sharing formula. Sometimes Sanjay Raut says that Congress must have done the printing mistake by giving them more than 100 seats. We can also do these kind of printing mistakes. We will do.
Happen in BJP,
but those things never surface. Those things. Do you think that BJP, Mahayuti,
come to the point. Come to the point.
Celebrations. Firecrackers in the studio and outside Fadnavis' residence. Can I listen to the firecrackers in the Fadnavis residence so that there's a break from the firecrackers in the studio?
That oneness that we talk about, that was never visible when the seat sharing formula was conducted among them. And that is the reason why that particular group came out with so many faces. Who is going to be the Chief Minister? Who is going to be the Chief Minister was never a question as far as the Mahavikas Agha.
I'm getting a report from Sandeep. Sandeep is speaking. I want to cut across to Sandeep. Sandeep is live outside Fadnavis' residence.
Sweets are being in fact distributed out here at the residence. So for Devendra Fadnavis to give you the live sweets are being distributed outside the residence. Devendra Fadnavis की सरकार दोबारा बन रही है. आपको लग रहा है मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे?
मुख्यमंत्री भावी बनेंगे. अद्भुत कार्य है. लाडली बहन योजना और बहुत सी ऐसी योजना है जिसका लाभ महिलाओं को मिल
200 से ज्यादा सीटें आ गई महायुति को. कितनी खुशी है?
खुशी है और ये आनी ही थी.
देवेंद्र जी दोबारा बनेंगे मुख्यमंत्री?
दोबारा बनेंगे, जरूर बनेंगे.
You just heard the reactions. I will just go to the women party workers showing the victory sign out here. कितनी खुशी है देवेंद्र जी दोबारा मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे?
बिल्कुल बनेंगे. उन्होंने इतना काम किया है, अपनी महिलाओं का ध्यान रखा है, सशक्तिकरण का ध्यान रखा है. वो उन्हें
लाड़की बहनों का प्यार मिला.
बिल्कुल मिला. देवेंद्र जी आगे बढ़ो. हमारे लिए बड़ी दिवाली तो आज हुई है.
It's Diwali for Bharatiya Janata Party and Mahayuti, and I'm giving you the live visuals outside the residence of Devendra Fadnavis. Firecrackers are being in fact burnt out here at the residence of Devendra Fadnavis, and celebrations on out here at the residence of Devendra Fadnavis. दोबारा मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे आपको लग रहा है देवेंद्र जी?
बिल्कुल देवेंद्र फडणवीस ही दोबारा मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे.
क्या कितनी खुशी है आपको? भारतीय जनता पार्टी को बहुत कुछ बोला गया, बहुत सारे आरोप लगाए गए, बावजूद उसके भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी दोबारा चुन करके
ये जो विरोधी पार्टियों ने जो फेक नैरेटिव सेट किया था हर एक चीज के लिए, संविधान से लेकर तो हर एक चीज के लिए, उसको जनता ने करारा जवाब दिया है.
कांग्रेस पूरी तरीके से साफ हो गई. कांग्रेस
जय सिया राम हो गया उसका.
Ram. You just heard the reactions. Very colorful visuals. In fact, outside the residence, we also spoke to the mother of Devendra Fadnavis today, and even she was very much happy. We'll just get few more reaction. कितनी खुशी है देवेंद्र जी की सरकार बन रही है दोबारा. आप देखना चाहेंगे मुख्यमंत्री के तौर पे?
बहुत खुशी है हम लोगों को, क्योंकि कैसा है हमारी जो लाडली बहन का उनका फायदा हमके.
लाडली बहन का आशीर्वाद मिला. आपको लगता है लाडली बहनों का आशीर्वाद मिला?
बिल्कुल लाडली बहन का आशीर्वाद मिला है.
You just heard the reactions. Just few minutes back there was firecrackers that were in fact burnt out here, and in fact sweets have been been in fact distributed out there. We give you the live visuals. Sweets are being in fact distributed. Sweets are being in fact distributed out here at the residence of Devendra Fadnavis. And in fact, as Bharatiya Janata Party.